Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be complicated. Are you familiar with zebra striping? I wasn't until recently. Apparently, this is very popular in the UK, where when you're out and drinking, you'll swap between an alcoholic beverage and a non-alcoholic beverage round to round. Tricky thing is, you need to know some really great non-alcoholic beverages beyond just a soda or a soda water and bitters for those rounds. And here we have for you a great one to check out, the Light and Stormy. We're doing it with Three Spirit Social, which if you're not familiar with them as a brand, it is a fantastic alcohol alternative. But without any further ado, let's make a Light and Stormy. To build the Light and Stormy, we'll start with 2 ounces of Three Spirit Social. I'm just gonna pour that right over ice, because this is a pretty darn simple non-alcoholic cocktail. Then we're going to fill the glass with some ginger beer. In this case, I highly recommend Fever Tree, but there's a lot of different options out there depending on what level of spice and sugar you particularly enjoy. Add a straw, give it a nice gentle little stir, and garnish with a little wheel of lime. And easy as that, you have the Light and Stormy. This is really easy drinking. Now, clearly you're not gonna have the really sweet flavors of like a Gosling's rum, and hence why it's called a Light and Stormy as opposed to any sort of like a dark and stormy non-alcoholic for a number of other reasons, but this is just fantastic. Highly recommend checking it out. Let us know what you think. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or there's videos you want to see, whether they are with booze or without, please be sure to leave a comment. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button and share it with your friends. And if you hated it, well, tell your enemies about us. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.